On this edition of On Record, artificial intelligence is being used more and more in defense. Now the UK will use it for target precision. An Asian Pacific country is reinforcing its ground fleet with new light Sabra tanks. And Elbit Systems pitches in for the national cleaning effort after an ecological disaster strikes Israel's coastline. Hello, I'm Lauren Izo, and we are On Record. The British Armed Forces will get the Dismounted Joint Fires Integrator that will use artificial intelligence to enhance target acquisition capabilities of Joint Terminal Attack Controllers and fire support teams. Elbit Systems UK will supply the D-JFI solution, integrating several of its technologies in a $137 million contract. The solution will include the Torch-X battle management application, the Hattorix high-precision target acquisition system, the Coral multispectral electro-optical payload, and a long-range laser designator. The D-JFI solution acquires, generates, and communicates target information to effector systems interfacing with the radio communication systems of the British Army, Royal Air Force, and Royal Marines. New combat vehicles will be delivered in two separate deals worth around $220 million in the Asia-Pacific region. Elbit Systems will lead a procurement program of tracked and wheeled light tanks and a program to procure 6x6 armored personnel carriers. Both combat vehicles will be equipped with a range of the company's subsystems, including electro-optical sights, fire control systems, Torch-X battle management systems, E-LynX radios, and life support systems. Several European countries witnessed capability demonstrations for game-changing artificial intelligence-based touchscreen target technology. Elbit Systems demonstrated the Hattorix systems to 8 countries recently. The capability demonstrations were performed in urban locations and in open fields in both day and night, simulating a variety of operational scenarios, during which users had the opportunity to experiment firsthand with the capability to passively and rapidly acquire targets. The technology, which launched in 2018, has been used by the Israel Defense Forces for at least 2 years and is at the heart of the UK D-JFI solution. The Netherlands is modernizing its military with the purchase of $84 million worth of new technology for its armored vehicles. The Roya Netherlands Army will soon get advanced active protection systems and electro-optical commander sights by Elbit Systems. The deal includes the Iron Fist, which uses optical sensors, tracking radars, launchers, and countermeasure munitions to defeat threats at a safe distance with negligible residual penetration. And Co-ops, a modular dual-access stabilized sight that facilitates fire control computation and long-range target acquisition in day and night in both stationary and mobile situations. Israel's coastline suffered a devastating ecological disaster. A massive oil spill in the Mediterranean endangered marine life, leading most of the country's beaches to close and even forcing a general ban on eating fish from the sea. Now, volunteers throughout the country are helping clean up the dangerous tar. 600 Elbit Systems employees lent helping hands throughout the week, along with thousands of Israelis, hoping to restore the beach to the wildlife habitat it was before the disaster. And that's all for this edition of On Record. For more updates from Elbit Systems, you can visit our Facebook page or YouTube page, and don't forget to let us know what you think. I'm Lauren Izo. Thank you for watching.